one we should really applaud for because this is hard to do. We have no one this year who did not have a demerit all year, so the high school is out of this running. But we do have 2 children that did not have a tally for the entire year, okay? From August, I think it was 12th. Is it August 12th? Why do I always think it's August 12th? I think that was last year. August 11th to today, no tallies. Okay, now I will be watching these 2 all morning long, okay, because I would like some ice cream, and I will just take it away from them if they have any. They shouldn't even look at me funny, all right? Very good. But we have 2 people. Allie Guffey, here